Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram story posting problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Instagram apps and then long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info, just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, tap on storage. Now clear cache your Instagram storage, tap on clear cache. Press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means Instagram server is down right now. So wait few times, after few times it will be solved automatically.